Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have created this beautiful halo eye look, keeping the skin very juicy. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching, and before that do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And let's quickly jump into the video. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows, and for that I'm using the Maybelline Fashion Brow Eyebrow Pencil, and it's in the shade dark gray, and it completely matches my hair and it looks so natural on me. So I'm only filling the sparse areas, and I'm using a very light hand so that my brows look natural. And at this moment I would say that I don't have the perfect eyebrows, because in this lockdown I am threading my eyebrows on my own and it is not coming that perfect. So yeah, please bear with me. So here I'm using a spoolie to brush out my hair and distribute the product. And now coming to my favorite part, I'm going to carve out my brows using some concealer, and I'm also going to conceal my lids. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to grab my Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and it's in the shade 02. All the shades will be mentioned in the description part below, and I'm going to grab this dark shade here and I'm just going to place it first on my lid. And to create that halo eye look, I'm just putting the eyeshadow onto the outer and inner portion of my lid. And when you get the desired shape, you just want to blend it out lightly. And whenever you blend out your shadows, you lose some pigment every time. So I'm just going to quickly add on to some shadow and increase its intensity. And I'm going to blend my eyeshadow. You wanna blend every eyeshadow you do, but this in specific needs more blending. So yeah. And now I'm going to grab this color and I'm just going to simply blend out the edges of the last shadow we used, and this will give you that really nice ombre effect. And as you can see, I'm creating very soft circular motions and I'm barely touching my skin, and this trick will do all the blending. And at this point my eyeshadow looks blended, so I'm just going to pick up some glitter shadow and put it onto my middle portion of the lid to create that halo eye effect. Yeah, so halo eye look just mean that dark shadow on the outside and light shadows on the inside, so that all the light falls onto the middle portion of the lid, if you know what I mean. And here I'm also going to apply some liquid eyeshadow and I'm just going to blend it out. So as you can see, the light will fall onto the middle portion of the lid, and this is called the halo eye effect. And I'm not going for any wing, I'm just going to simply line my eyes. And here I'm going to grab some white kohl pencil and I'm just going to tight line my eyes with it, and I'm going to put some mascara and falsies. Okay, so moving on to the base, I'm going to use the Insight Cosmetics Primer. Moving on to the foundation, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I'm just going to apply it onto my face. And here I'm using a brush, a flat top brush, to apply it on my face, and I think brush makes your job get done really fast. Skin is looking beautiful, and you can see how flawlessly it has covered all my acne marks and pigmentation. And now I'm going to go in with a beauty blender to make it even more flawless. And now coming to concealer, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty concealer and I'm just going to brighten out my face, the usual areas like under the eye area, my forehead, and some on my chin, nose, and my cupid's bow, and below my contour line. Both the concealer and my foundation were full coverage and I absolutely love them. And now moving on to setting my face, I'm going to grab some translucent powder here and I'm just going to slightly set my under eye. And you need to make sure that you set your under eye area really well so that it doesn't crease. And now I'm just going to dust some powder all over my face using a powder brush. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to use all the colors that I put on my crease, and I'm just going to smoke it out. And then to bronze up my face, I'm going to grab the Wet n Wild's contouring palette, and I'm just going to slightly bronze up my face. For my blush, I'm grabbing this Sugar Face palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and I'm just simply placing it all over to my face, my cheeks and my nose, and I'm also going to put it onto my chin. And now I'm just going to grab my eyeshadow palette, and I'm just picking this very contour kind of shade because I was so excited to see how it will look on my face, and yes, it did the job really well. And for highlighter, I'm using the Insight Cosmetics highlighter, and guys, it's a beautiful highlighter. It looks so good in person. It looks really beautiful. So yeah, you know the drill. I'm going to put it onto my usual areas: my cheekbones, my nose, tip of the nose, cupid's bow, my chin, and onto my forehead. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. And as you can see, highlighting the inner corners really changes the game. And yeah, so time for lip, and I'm going to line my lips using some lip liner. It's from Wet n Wild. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use the Mysterious Mocha from Maybelline Creamy Mattes. And that is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you did, then please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You know the drill, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.